Reo Māori Lesson 1.
Greetings. Tēnā koe, Mrs. Flamingo. Tēnā koutou, Mr. Cow. What? Why do you say tēnā koutou? Or is there a ghost somewhere? There's no ghost. What do you mean? It's because you said tēnā koutou. Does that mean there's more people? Yeah, because if you say tēnā koutou, you're saying hi to many. If you say tēnā kura, you're saying hi to two. And when you say tēnā koe, you're only saying hi to one. Okay, let me try say it. Tēnā koe, Mr. Cow? Not quite right. What? Maybe you should try and do like this. Tēnā koe. Okay, tēnā koe, Mr. Cow. Great job! Now you know you say tēnā koe when you're saying hi to one person. So, tēnā koe is one person, tēnā kura is two, and tēnā koutou is everyone. Yes. Now you did a great job.
Anote pai.
Thank you for helping me.
Kia ora, Mr. Cow. Hi there, Mrs. Flamingo.